So the next question that I have for you guys is, you all have been a part of SSG. So how has SSG shaped you guys, in the life that you are in today?
Oh, I think Kali can take this. Yeah.
Okay. So all of us will take it. All of us logged a lot when SSG was going on, but I think at the core, SSG is about how you put your opinions and thoughts in a way that you can back it up, as well as find a solution. I think SSG did shape me in a very crucial manner, where my career right now itself is somewhere related to what I was doing in SSG. The work I do around diversity and inclusion, and the work I do with other organizations when helping them figure solutions for themselves, it somewhere down the line started here, because we all started first with complaining college mein ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai, to reaching a point where like, okay, what can we do about it? So how can we support and what can we do about it? So SSG crucially gives you a shift in your mind, where it helps you think better, learn better, structure better. So I would say to all of us, or at least personally me as well, SSG was a huge driving factor for change and making us all of who we are. I mean, you randomly called us and now we are speaking, is in part because of the way SSG grooms you into being an individual who can take a stand. So yes, that is my 2 cents about it.
I mean, adding on to that, there was this one mentor of mine when I was in SSG in that tenure. She said, everyone can point out issues, everyone can complain about things.
Correct.
But there are very few who actually do something about it.
Yes.
Add towards, solving that issue or raising that, spark of change.
So being here, like being part of SSG, you could do anything out. If you go out anywhere, you could do anything. Like you could figure out yourself, you could stand for yourself, anything, whatever you want, you could do it by yourself. Like by taking the support, or how to be with the people, support people, or take the support, or everything. So that can be that.
That's really great hearing about SSG from all you guys.